No fuel, no electricity, no outside power source. How can a purely mechanical machine by a river lift water to higher ground? And why do some people call it the closest thing to a real perpetual motion machine? To build this device, you first need a river with a strong and steady flow. Dig a foundation pit at the fastest part of the stream. The system is divided into 3 sections: an intake channel, a water tank, and a drainage channel. After digging the pit, reinforce it with concrete. Next, modify the water tank. Place a circular stone slab inside, dividing the tank into upper and lower sections. In the center of the slab, install a freely rotating water wheel. When river water rushes through the central opening, it strikes the blades and makes the wheel spin at high speed. The water then exits through the lower section and flows back into the river. Because the river itself powers the system, this part is called a water turbine. To increase efficiency, you add a ring of streamlined guide vanes. These direct the water at the correct angle, ensuring it hits the wheel evenly and with maximum force. Now you have a turbine that can keep spinning as long as the river flows. The next step is using that rotating energy to pump water uphill. A drive shaft connects the turbine to a centrifugal pump mounted above it. The pump has a water inlet on top, a high-pressure outlet on the side, and a curved impeller inside. As the turbine spins, it turns the impeller. The rapidly rotating impeller creates strong centrifugal force, throwing water outward against the pump casing. The enclosed casing compresses the water, increasing its pressure and producing a powerful flow. At the same time, the spinning impeller creates low pressure at the inlet, continuously drawing in more water. This creates an automatic cycle of intake, pressurization, and discharge. To protect the pump from weeds, stones, and debris, you install a filter screen at the inlet. Now the entire system is complete. A water wheel pump. When water is released into the intake channel, it enters the tank and spins around the turbine. The flowing water drives the turbine, which in turn drives the centrifugal pump above it. Water enters through the inlet, the spinning impeller accelerates it, and high-pressure water is pumped to higher ground. As long as the river keeps flowing, the machine continues working automatically without fuel or electricity. That is why many people call it a perpetual motion machine, although its power actually comes from the constant energy of the flowing river. Congratulations, you have invented a water wheel pump.